Welcome to the Rogue River Preserve.
We acknowledge that the Rogue River Preserve is the traditional homelands of the Shasta, Takelma, and Lakawa peoples before being removed into designated reservations. We are committed to learning their cultural history of this land where we are privileged to teach and learn on, asking each participant to visit tribal websites and learn how they can support the current cultural livelihoods of the original peoples of this place.
The Rogue River's headwaters begin in the western mountains along the outer edge of Crater Lake and flow down the Rogue Valley. Collecting water from Bear Creek, the Illinois River, and the Applegate River, the Rogue River eventually makes its way to the Pacific Ocean in southern Oregon.
Located 16 miles north of Medford, the Rogue River Preserve is now owned and protected by the Southern Oregon Land Conservancy. Purchased in 2017, the preserve stretches along 2 miles of the river and encompasses 352 acres of diverse ecosystems. Oak savanna, vernal pools, meadows, oak pine woodlands, and chaparral are all habitats that can be found in this region.
The preserve supports an amazing amount of biodiversity, including many reptiles, large mammals, over 100 species of birds, and hundreds more species of plants. Ponderosa pine and oaks make up the forests of the preserve, and willows line the riverbanks. Notable animals that can be found in these ecosystems include salmon, western fence lizard, Roosevelt elk, Lewis's woodpecker, black bear, western bluebird, and Pacific gopher snake.
Although not open to the public, the Southern Oregon Land Conservancy does host open land days for people to visit the preserve. Visit their website in the description below to learn more about how you can participate in a hike or a stewardship day.
This year, our Fall in the Field theme is Nature's Tales, Stories of Change and Resilience. Change is something that we constantly experience and can occur over short or long periods of time. Resilience describes our ability to adapt to difficult conditions. It seems especially fitting during this time to reflect on how nature, including us human beings, can show resilience in the face of ongoing challenges.
As you explore our site's resources, you will find lessons for high school students on some of the groups of animals that call the Rogue River Preserve home, including reptiles and amphibians, birds, and salmon. We encourage you to look for the stories that these creatures can tell us about this place. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to exploring the Rogue River Preserve with you.